Thanks for stopping by to check out my latest video. I'm going to be talking about the Railway Cloud and showing briefly all of the different templates that you can select from. And because of these templates and all of the code that goes along with it, you can get up and running very fast. You can get automatic deployments from your GitHub into the Railway service. And there's all of this free code for you to learn from and to use to jumpstart your projects. It's really awesome. Let's go ahead and get started. If you didn't see my first video, you may want to check that out. I go into a lot more detail about Railway, but here I'm on their homepage and they say here, Railway is the cloud for building, shipping, and monitoring applications. No platform engineer required. And start a new project. So I'm going to pull up the templates page so we can take a look at what's there. Here we can see there's 352 different templates. And what would you like to deploy today? So of course, if you already have an account, you want to be logged in, and then you can choose one of these templates. I'll scroll down and show some of the different categories of the templates available. Here are all the different categories. You have AI, machine learning, analytics, authentication, automation, blogs, bots, CMS, observability, starters, storage, and queues. Let's go ahead and look for a chat bot that I will implement in the next video. Here I've typed in chatbot and we can see the chatbot UI. That is one that I will go ahead and get deployed in the next video that I will make. I'm back down here in the Explore All Templates. I clicked on the AI and machine learning so we can see there's a lot of different options to choose from. Just depends on what you're looking for. You can see how many times they've been deployed, and they all come with this code that you can check out. And in the middle of it, of course, is Chatbot UI, which I have already deployed it once, and I will be deploying it in another video. Next, I clicked on Analytics so we can see the different projects or templates that are available here for analytics to get you up and running quickly. Sometimes you have to provide different information like API keys and potentially some names for different things depending on which template that you select. So you can expect that in some cases. It's just really awesome how quickly you can get up and running by having these templates available on this platform. Here we have some authentication templates. Looks like we have just 6 for the time being. Here we have some interesting automation templates. Tightbot, the NAN powerful workflow automation tool for technical people. Browserless, the web browser automation built for everyone and loved by developers. The Postgres S3 backups, a simple Node.js app to back up your Postgres database to a S3 via a cron job. The Chrome Selenium standalone, single instance Chrome browser driver, and many others. So if you're looking for some automation tools and templates, you want to give this a look. Here we have some blog templates. Ghost, turn your audience into a business. The Ghost 5 version 5.4 with additional themes. Wayline, a lightweight front-end based commenting system. Then we have like Custis, a lightweight privacy-friendly alternative to Discuss. Commento++, a comment widget that just works, and several others here. Here we have the bots section. You can see all kinds of different options here for different templates. The ChatGPT on WeChat, Deploy ChatGPT on WeChat in 2 steps, which is pretty amazing. Discord Python bot, a simple Discord bot written in Python. The Discord JS bot, a basic Discord bot written in JavaScript. Railway bot, a companion bot for Railway users, including usage reports and probably crash handling. And there's several more templates that you can choose from. The next category is CMS, Content Management Systems. Strapi, a popular self-hosted CMS. I've talked about that and shown some setup procedures and steps for getting Strapi up and running in some of my other videos, and I've talked about it, and I use it in some projects. Then we have Direct Us, turn any SQL database into an API, optional S3 and WebSockets included. WordPress, the Railway blog, the official Railway blog, you could use that for your project. The Gin, a simple web server written in Go using Gin. NocoDB, an open source Airtable alternative, and many other options here to help get you up and running quickly. The next category, observability. Uptime Kuma, self-hosted monitoring tool. Datadog agent, collect events and metrics from hosts and send them to Datadog, which is a great service. Prometheus, a minimal example of the Prometheus time series database. Glitch Tip, simple open source error tracking with the Sentry SDK. And several other great options here. The other category has a ton of stuff in it. I'm not going to scroll through all of it. It's a very long list, but I noticed some things like Pocketbase, which I've used that in some of my other videos. ChatWoot, a customer communication platform. The Medusa backend, deploy an e-commerce backend and admin using Medusa. Cal, scheduling infrastructure for absolutely everyone. The code server, it's VS Code in the browser. Then we have a few other things such as the Nuxt.js, a basic Nuxt.js example app. Create chatbots with ease. Dialog Base. A Jupyter Lab, which is a next generation notebook interface. And just a lot of other very interesting projects. So these could help you really spin up something quickly. Here we have the starters category with a lot of different options, even more than the other category it looks like. Flask, Node.js, Fast API, HTTP Node.js, a module server, Laravel example, Next.js Prisma, Rails, a simple Rails app, Express.js Mongoose, Vite plus React, Create React app, and a bunch of others. Here is the storage category. Postgres database with data persistence and TCP proxy, MySQL. The MySQL database with data persistence and a TCP proxy, MongoDB, MySQL 5.7. Minio, open source object storage with a S3 compatible API. The Redis, key store value with data persistence. SQLite 3, a lightweight database. File browser, a web file browser using volumes. Let's scroll down and see what else we have here. Looks like ClickHouse, MariaDB, Dragonfly, a data store built for modern workloads. Weaviate, an open source vector database. CouchDB, Seamless multi-master syncing database with an intuitive HTTP JSON. EdgeDB, ready set, time scale, so many options here. And the last category is queues. Looks like they have RabbitMQ, Quirl, a simple job queue service, BullMQ with Bullboard, Kafka, Temporal, NSQ, and HiveMQ. So several options to choose from there. Well, I just wanted to show all of the different templates that are available, and all you have to do is click on one of these and sometimes enter in a little bit more information, and it will place a copy into your GitHub, which you need to have linked up here in your Railway account. And once you do that, it will go ahead and deploy it. It's really easy and really fast to get you up and running for all these different types of templates and services. In the next video, I'm going to actually show a chatbot that I deployed from here, and I'll show the process and how fast it is. Again, thanks for stopping by and checking out my latest video. Have a great day. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.